since it's almost Halloween, and lately almost every single of my neighbors are putting Halloween I think I'm gonna put Halloween stuff on. Yeah. Hey little Sono, what do you have?
Chucky has good eyeballs.
Chucky has eyeballs, but what do you have? What do you have? Look, there's a picture of you!
Not all of it.
Yeah, skeleton! What the?
I don't think you wanna ask.
Okay. Yeah, tiene los muertos. What do you think, Haley? Sono? What do you think? That's a picture of you! There's a picture of you! Haley!
What?
What do you say about Halloween?
I need pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Okay, Haley, what do you think of those? What do you say?
I think you actually.
What?
I didn't know it.
What do you say?
I did a bullshit.
Don't say that! That's a Pikachu! Oh my gosh, real spider webs. That's a good Halloween decoration. Right, Haley should know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Ooh, Haley, why'd you do that?
I will try. No, I will try. Please, I will try.
Hee Guys, I put that up there. Chucky Lozano, look at this beautiful family.
What are you doing? That looks like a boring family.
Yeah, my boring. Yes, sign. Pumpkin, what going? What the f? Why is her eyes on everything now? Yeah. Yeah, I do agree. Who's the person? Chucky. You. Yeah, skeleton. Chucky, scary skeleton. So she break down this. You know, we should probably make it more fallish. There's too much Halloween. Stop motion time! Holy sh! I can see the inside of my house.
What are you doing?
Yeah, like I said, we should make it more fallish. Fall is in the What? Hey, that's my picture of him!
Soccer ball!
We still have a lot of decorations left to put on. Whoop. I'll be back.
An eternity later.
Okay, now finally, I'm showing all the Halloween decorations that I have. Holy shit, that skeleton is creepy. Yeah, get los muertos. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a Spider-Man. What? More eyes? What? A pumpkin ghost? Wait, what noises do pumpkins make? Haley, do you like Halloween? Yeah. Fist bump. No fist bump? Fist bump. Say. More skeleton? Really? Okay, scary skeleton!
Haley, why'd you throw that?
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. What's up? Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever Spider-Man. down your spine. Spooky, scary skeletons. My shape break down your spine.
Ow.
She's a wiener. My goodness, whoa. My neighbors put tombstones. Who died? Somebody died here in 1779. What? That's like when my grandparents were children.
You're dumb. They weren't born that early, dumbass.
Dumbasses. Anyway, Chucky Lozano, we decorated a lot for Halloween this year. Like, really, last year we didn't even decorate for anything on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
and
just decorated the inside with just 2 fake spiders that I didn't like. Ow!
because look, our neighbors put like Halloween decorations. Oh yeah, from Nightmare Before Christmas. That's a freaking cat back there, and they put like spider. Look at our other neighbors. Oh, they put
Look
like
at that neighbor.
that's a huge ass inflatable. Holy sh! And like the rest of our neighbors, look that one over there, and our next door neighbors. So yeah. Wait, actually, I think we're gonna buy more.
Yay!
Yeah, let's go! Extra bonus seeds inside! Okay, Chucky Lozano!
What?
You saying we forgot to decorate?
What?
The inside! Wait! What the f?
It's decorated a little.
What the f? But I don't remember decorating it.
Well, I decorated.
All by yourself? That's crazy!
Not by myself.
Okay, well, I don't give a f. Oh, even that room.
Over here.
Oh, yeah. Wait, I see something.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin carving! Yeah, pumpkin carving. What the f? Whose eye is this? And why is it in the fruit basket?
I put it in there.
Oh, baby pumpkins?
And I won't.
Where? What the f? This is kind of creepy, but I don't care though. Give thanks. It's not even Thanksgiving yet. Thanksgiving is next month in the United States of America. Oh, more pumpkin carving. What? A white pumpkin? Never seen white pumpkins before.
I've seen it.
Then you're a butt. Joke. What? A pumpkin on a stick? Oh, I think I'm gonna eat it.
It's not real.
It tastes like styrofoam. Whoa, what the f happened to this balloon?
Inflated.
Oh. I fixed it! So wait! Wait, this looks kinda familiar. Revenge!
Wait, you forgot a pumpkin. No.
Loud screaming, my goodness! More louder than me! Damn. Oh, wait, no, wait, I see something! Okay! Holy sh! That's a pumpkin!
Not a real.
I know, dumbass. But anyway, time to go back outside.
Yay, let's go!
Okay.